This is a short introductory video to show you how to compile and run a Java application using TextPad. Here's my TextPad application, and I'm opening up the file I'd like to use. So in my browser, you'll notice I have a YCCD fall 2014 file where I can keep my classes kind of in order. So what I've done is I've selected my Consci 12 folder, and inside I have a place to put my Java programs, so I called it Java Programs. And I also like to keep a chapter folder for each of the homework chapters so I can keep track of where they are. That way, when your assignments due, you don't have to wonder where you placed them. In this folder, my demo program is going to be called My Cat Image, which is actually a variation of a later textbook application. But it's fun, and I get to show you off my little kitty cat shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and open the folder, and notice I named the folder the same as the Java file I wish to run. So My Cat Image is the same as the folder. There we go. With the .java extension. So when we open up our files, we must save them with the .java extension so the Java application knows how to find them. I'm going to go ahead and click to open this file, and there's my program code. Once again, the main class, or the first class we come to, we're going to go ahead and name that the same as the file. Notice that the capitalization is also the same. So it's very important that we name our files the same as the class image, exactly down to the case sensitivity. Oftentimes in Windows and sometimes in Macintosh computers, you can mix and match, but if we want our programs to be as portable as possible, we want to follow this convention. And depending on your computer, it may not compile unless it is exactly the same with the .java extension. So if you have troubles with that, you can always send me a copy through the website, and I'll look at it and make corrections so that you can get going. With our program loaded, we're going to go over here to the Tools option, and if we've installed the Java application correctly, when we go to Configure TextPad, the configure will automatically allow us to select that. So once we've installed it, and there's a tutorial on the Student Resources site, these options will appear: Compile Java, Run Java Application, and Run Java Applet. Applets we'll take care of later. For now, we're going to go ahead and click Run Java Application once we've done the compile. So I'm going to go ahead and compile our program. Just going to simply click the button. And when our program finishes compiling, we'll see the success message on the bottom. If there's a program error, you'll see a line number, and it'll try to attempt to tell you where the program needs to be modified in case there's a syntax error. To work the application TextPad, we need to go ahead and click somewhere in the code. It's going to pick a random place in the white area and just smack the button. That'll focus the code window. To run our application, we're going to simply go over to Tools once again, and back to External Tools, and we're going to go ahead and click Run Java Application. Because it's a console program, you'll see that there's a command window opening up in the background, so we're going to kind of ignore that for now. And here's my application. My kitty cat kind of feels left out, so I made a little application so that if you push the button, there's a picture of Shadow. So we can make some pretty sophisticated programs using the Java language. Once we close the program, the DOS window, or the command line window, is still open. So we just hit any key and we're back to the code. So this is just a short video to maybe lead you step by step how to get your Java program to compile and run. So for those of you who haven't gotten started, take this video and see if you can get this to go. Make sure you go through the resources feature and go ahead and load Java and TextPad if you've not already done so. And be sure to give me an email message through the website if you have any troubles. So good luck and welcome to ComSci 12.